Alright, today we're going to find out if this Kubota 3301 can pull this Dodge Ram 3500 truck and this 35-foot 3-horse trailer with full living quarters out of the mud. And normally I'm trying to get this trailer back over this way towards that barn over there. Normally I would just hook up to the back of the trailer and pull it backwards, but we have a small problem. I cut down a small tree that was in the way, a couple inches off the ground, and normally at a couple inches, 2 or 3 inches off the ground would be plenty enough to get this truck over, but you can see the truck has sunk down in the mud. It's stuck. The frame is hitting that little stump, and so I can't go backwards, and it's stuck in the mud. I can't go forward, so we're going to use the tractor there to pull it forward so I can cut that stump down enough to where it didn't hit the frame of the truck with it being sunk down in the mud, and then I can get the trailer back. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.